This is Potato Chip Mashed Potato Bowl, part of our truck stop gas station series, recipes focused on a bag of chips. And we are here on the Klahani Range in the Olympic National Park. I'm Chef Corso from Monte Boca, and this is my 360 pano view today, looking north to Canada, Mount Baker in the distance. The beautiful ridgeline of the Olympic National Park in the Bailey Range. And I'm going to show you how to make it. We're all set up here for our potato chip mashed potato bowl, and I'm all set up here in the rocks on Klahani Ridge, and this is our view right now. I'm at 1,000 feet, and I packed along my little MSR Whisper Light. I know a lot of you out there aren't taking along a burner on your day hike, but consider doing that because you can cook some really fast, tasty things and have a warm meal rather than a bar, a jerky, or another deli sandwich. So what I love about this recipe is that super fast, super easy, super packable. And for you ultralight dirt baggers out there, this one's for you. A few ingredient callouts is we are just using any sort of instant mashed potatoes. We've got cheese here today, but you could easily get the roasted garlic or whatever. We also had a couple kinds of chips. So we've got some BBQ chips because that sounded good to me today, and a spicy queso, which could be really yummy in there too with our 4 cheese. So we had maybe 5 cheese, 5 cheese. But other things you could include are maybe a little green onion. That's a nice thing. We've got some little cheese packets to get it a little extra cheesy. And I use these stuff sacks a whole lot for packing ingredients. And what I'm also going to try today is to make a really quick dirt bag barbecue sauce with a little bit of hot sauce. What else do I got in here? A little bit of ketchup, a little bit of mustard, and a little bit of chili powder. But all we need to do is boil water and get our potatoes going. We're gonna do a quick little ingredient tasting here of our spicy queso chips because I've never had these before. Spicy queso from Kettle. Ooh, crinkle. You can listen to me crunch on chips while you're looking at this mountain ridge. Wow. Besides how beautiful this mountain ridge is, these chips are delicious. They definitely taste like spicy queso. A little bit of jalapeno in there. Wow, these are really good. They're gonna be really good in our mashed potatoes. All right, let's get cooking.